in trading, I feel anyone like me who is fairly new to trading must be very, very, very selective. One and two, they must not go by tips. They should
Mm.
that they have to create their own strategies,
Mm.
their own trade setups. And I can tell you, people who survive on tips, they never make money. They only lose money.
Yeah.
My all my profitable trades have been decided by me. When I follow somebody else, I generally don't make much money. I in
Yeah.
fact end up losing a lot of money.
Yeah.
These particular these all these GFS is grandfather, father, son. Range shift is a very commonly used term when the momentum changes from one shift, one range to another.
Okay.
And then there is the PRD. This is the reverse divergences, the RSI divergences.